Hey guys, Tim Thomas here. I'm going to talk about this postcard in this program on this video. And I'm going to talk about multiple programs that you can mail postcards with, guys, and get endless commissions. We'll talk about it all on the inside. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Guys, I tell you what, great things are happening. Could not be more excited about what we've got going on. And let me tell you what, folks, if you can mail a postcard, you can win. Send a solo ad. And in fact, I'm not even going to talk about a lot of online traffic. You know, I believe in text message marketing, solo ads, all these other kinds. But I want to keep it simple. I tell people all the time, you want to break free from your job. If you're on a job that you don't like, if you don't have enough money in your life, you want to create an extra income, you find some of these programs and you partner, and then you do it over and over and over again. Guys, let me tell you what. We have income coming from the north, east, south, and west. I'm talking about creating the kind of income that you never have to ask for another day off in your life. You work for yourself. You become your own boss. You are the CEO of your life, and money flows to you effortlessly. Are you listening? Hit the like button. Smash the like button. I'm talking about amazing things can happen. And folks, let me tell you what, this postcard, another sign up just came in, didn't see it coming. Hanson partnered with us. Hanson, thank you, partner with us. Out of the blue, guys, this is what came over. He joined at one of the levels, guys, and I've got one of that commission with this program, guys. Came in out the blue, didn't even know it was coming. Folks, that is incredible to me. So Hanson, welcome to the program. Very excited to have you partnered, guys. One sign up, $375. Folks, this program goes up to $20,000. And you never have to talk to anybody. There is no selling, no explaining of this program. It is all built into the system. The closing team does all the work for you. It's a 50 split, guys, and you can't beat it. You guys, I'm telling you what, the team have closed so many sales for me, and I've got endless videos of this program right here, of what this program has done. How this program has generated me multiple $2,000 checks at one single time. And I'll talk about the levels of participation in just a minute, and we'll go from there. Imagine earning $5,000 mailing this postcard. Imagine how that can change your life forever. Folks, and the company can close all the sales for you. This is one of my top 3 best programs. Of course, Prosperity People Systems is my #1 recommendation. Prosperity People System. The Easy Money Postcard System is one that I recommend. And this one right here, as far as postcards, because you can get $5,000 in one sign up mailing a simple postcard. The levels of participation, 500, you're going to go up to 1,000, 2,000, 2,500. You're talking about 5,000, 75. Then goes up to 10,000. It jumps to $20,000, folks. And the sales team will close the sales for you. If we can honestly show you a proven way, generate $500 to $5,000 or more daily, without making one phone call, without sending one email, without speaking to anyone, would that be worth 12 minutes of your time? Guys, if you decide to join this program, let me know that you've joined. I'll send you some tips, some strategies that I'm currently excited about to get the signups that we're getting. There's no previous experience needed. Folks, there is no selling to anyone ever. Let me tell you what, in life, people love to buy things, but they don't like to be sold to. This postcard will do the telling, selling, explaining for you so you never have to. Guys, that is powerful. Take 12 minutes and listen to our no obligation information. Call and learn how people are increasing their net worth, and they're generating the much needed income they need in their lives during troublesome times. Give us 12 minutes. Folks, pause the video. When you get an opportunity, I want you to dial this number. Now, I just did a review of this postcard a few days ago. And it continues to pump sales out for me over and over and over again. It can do the same for you. It is a beautiful, full-colored postcard. And when people get it, it's one of the postcards unlike I have ever seen. Let me see if I got one up here. I hope so. Look at that thing. People stop and look at that postcard, and it resonates with them. They love it. They love this postcard and what it can potentially do for them and their family. Guys, I'm telling you what, this thing has been a game changer, and it absolutely works. Dial that phone number, and when you join, guys, you're going to be assigned an ID number. Mine is 4050, 4050, and you can win. Work smart. Allow the company to close all the sales for you while you're enjoying your life. And it's powerful. Guys, I just had a sale come in. I did not even know it was coming. The success coach contacted me and let me know there's a sale. Folks, there's no greater feeling in the world to know that money will work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days in a week. That's powerful. Absolutely powerful. No special skills needed. All the promotional materials are provided for you. Proven results. You can start receiving $1,750 to $3,250 payments almost immediately. The current members that are partnered in this program, managers, doctors, construction workers, we got ministers, pastors, truck drivers, stay-at-home moms and dads, accountants, everyday ordinary people doing extraordinary things. Can you say that with me? Everyday ordinary people doing extraordinary things. Folks, we are getting in one day what it takes some people to make 2 weeks in some of these programs. This is powerful. This is absolutely exciting. Could not be more excited about it. Look at that postcard, folks. Love it. Robert Stock in Danbury, Connecticut. Looks like it. I've been working at home for over 20 years. I've never seen anything like this. It is automated. The system contacts all of your prospects, closes all of your sales, and you receive the commission checks to your mailbox daily. Folks, I got it right straight into PayPal. Into Cash App today. It is the easiest thing I have ever done. Take it from Robert out of Danbury, Connecticut. Folks, this is a game changer. Now, let me ask. A lot of people ask, well, Timothy, you got this and you got Prosperity People System. Which would you, if you can join the Prosperity People System, I would join it first and this second, because it's 100% commission over there. If I close the sales for you, it's 10%. This right here, this thing converts high to all of these programs are converting like it's nobody's business. We are approaching Labor Day. We are approaching towards the end of summer, and game is on. People are looking to get the kiddos back to school. Vacations are coming to a close. People are looking to put money to work, getting ready for Christmas. Postcard marketing has never been this good. People say, I remember the good old days of mail order. The good old days, folks, these are the good old days. These are the brand new days. These are better than the good old days. I've never seen it this good. I'm telling you what, and I've been in it for over 12, 13 years now. So if you want to get involved, guys, with this program, all you do, you dial that number right there. That is powerful. That is a game changer. You have to take action. You can look at these videos all day. You can look at these videos, but nothing happens until you take action and you plug and go. We've got a system. We've got a phone number. We'll give you an ID number and get you started. Let the company, watch this, guys, contacts and closes all of your sales. Watch this, guys. They got a robust follow-up. They'll call your prospect. If a lot of the times they got a very good close rate on the first time around. But if that person does not join the first time around, they will follow up on a weekly basis, calling that person, contacting them, compelling them to join, and you get paid. Guys, the close rate is through the roof. I'm telling you what, this is a powerful program. I want you to be part in it. Now, as I close the video, guys, I want you, those of y'all that I want to tell you, Prosperity People System is going to the leverage profit system. A lot of people are getting excited about it. Some people are already throwing some videos out there. Mike and them are getting excited about that program. And I am very excited about it. I'm going to talk about it in a later video this week, the leverage profit system. As the owner is going to roll out some new things with it, and we'll talk about that on a later date on another video. Prosperity, wealth step by step. Jose and them want me to put another video together on that thing. We're going to do that. Now, here is the cash cow postcard, guys. Here, this is only $300 to join this one, guys. I would join as many as you can. Join 3 or 4 of them. That's how I'm collecting all these commissions, guys. On some days, I don't even do videos because or busyness or whatever. But sales come in every day, constantly, with multiple programs. That's what I talk about. You gotta, you get in multiple streams of income, and you can have money over here, there. Income disclaimer. Here we go. Money doesn't fall out the sky. It doesn't grow on trees. It doesn't come up from the earth. But when you put predictable systems to work, and you market your business, and you offer honesty, integrity, valuable product, service, value, and when people look at it and they see the product, they see the value, they will partner with you. Guys, this is incredible. You send $100 to this, $100 there, and you send all $300 to the company, and they'll get you started in the Cash Cow program. Link a little bit below the video. For any of these programs, guys, we can email you a copy of them so you can take a look at it. And we'll go from there. Here's another one, guys. It's only $100 to join this one. You do the leverage wealth, guys, $25 to each person. That's on this postcard. Very excited about that. And you can win with these postcards. This is postcard for Prosperity People System. All right, guys. I'm going to get off the video. But dial this number, guys. Get started with this postcard today, or either Cash Cow, or get in 2 or 3 of them, as many as you can, guys. Get a chance to check out the channel. I've got several opportunities that we're currently excited about, guys. Unlimited 98, all these programs, we're very excited about these programs. The Premier Marketing System, you find one that resonates with you, and then you go. Now, if y'all are joining Prosperity People System, and some of these other programs, we can always comp you into some of the smaller programs if I can, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, let's have a wonderful day. Let's go out and get some marketing done. Let's get our marketing in the mail. And guys, this can be your new reality. Learn to work for yourself. Learn to do that. And if you do what you love, you'll never work another day in your life. Let me say that again. I love marketing. I love helping people, love getting people started in programs, helping improve the quality of their lives. If you do what you love, you will never work another day again in your life. Folks, that's powerful. And I believe there is an easier way. I'm not saying that jobs and stuff are bad. No, it's not bad. I worked a job all my life. I'm just saying, why not put yourself in a leveraged wealth position to earn what you're really worth? I'm talking about hundreds a day, thousands a week, multiple thousands a month. I'm getting off the soapbox. Guys, have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.